Hello, I'm Simon, and I'll be showing off the Spotify desktop app. I chose this interface because it's widely used, and I personally use the mobile and desktop version very frequently, which helped me easily identify the usability issues through experience. The task I'm focusing on is simple and very common. While listening to my playlist, I'll be searching for a song and listening to it. I'll be showing the problems with this, as well as how to get around it using the queue function. For demonstration purposes, I'll have the queue list open here on the side, but this isn't shown unless you press the tiny button here. So let's walk through it. I'm currently listening to my playlist and I'll search for a song and now I'll play it. So it's playing as intended, but at this point Spotify just replaced the entire queue with songs related to the search. The issue with this behavior is that it's not communicated to the user. This creates a gulf of evaluation where the user cannot easily understand what just happened to the system state. To work around this, the user will have to right click the song, press the add to queue button, and then skip the song without disrupting the queue. This introduces another multiple unnecessary steps which violates the efficiency use principle. It also creates a gulf of execution because the correct way to achieve the goal, that being playing a song without disrupting the queue, isn't obvious. This also violates the visibility of system status since the queue changes are hidden. Furthermore, each time the user wants to play a song outside the current playlist playing, they must remember how the system functions, violating the recognition rather than recall principle. Additionally, placing important actions like the Add to Queue button inside a drop-down menu increases cognitive load due to the set size effect, since you have to find the button you want to press, making it harder and slower for users to find what they need. So here's my redesign. First big change is the Open Queue button is moved to here, making it easier. And as we can see, we're listening to current playlist, next from playlist, and we're in the search song menu. Now, when we press play on a song, the queue stays the same. And when we go next, it'll continue playing from what I was listening to before. Additionally, when you press play, it opens up showing to the user what just happened. This reduces the gulf of evaluation because the system behaves in a way that matches the user's expectations. Furthermore, I introduced the new Add to Queue button that, when pressed, will open up the side panel and show and highlight to the user what just happened. This gives immediate feedback to what's happening, as well as improving the visibility of system status, which helps users interpret the result of their actions. Overall, this redesign reduces the number of steps required, making key actions more discoverable and better aligns the system with the user's mental model.